Kaore a Stella Crossan I mōhio ka tae I te whai mētāra kōura I tētahi rā.
I just fell in love with kayaking and then chose to follow down this road.
He kai hoi a Crossan mō te rōpū hoi waka tere o Aotearoa. Nō te tau 2024 I tīmata ia tōna ara hoi waka hei whakaharatau mō tōna hākinakina o te wā a te mahi whakaora I te moana.
I went to a South Island competition down in Tōna. That was my first competition, and then I actually happened to win like almost all my races, and I was like, oh, maybe I am good at this and maybe I'm gonna stick to this, and I think from there it just kind of stuck.
Nō kona ka mōhiotia ia e te rōpū hoi waka tere o Aotearoa a I uru atu ia ki o rātou tīma whakawhanake. Nō tēnei tau, kua eke ia ki te taumata under 18s kai whakataitai.
We just competed in Japan at the 2025 Asia Pacific Sprint Cup, and that was an amazing experience. I was able to come away with 3 golds, 2 silvers and a bronze. And so yeah, I was absolutely stoked with how I raced and how we raced as a team. And yeah, it was an amazing experience.
5, 2, 1, yeah!
Stella's an incredible kayaker. She is making great strides and doing all the things that hopefully are going to give her a long and successful career in kayaking.
No naia nei kei te whakangungu a Crossan mō te whakataetai a ao ki Potukara. E ai ki te meneti o te tīma nei a Steve Vaughan, ka eke te pā mahana ki te neke atu I te whātekau ngā tohu.
It's going to be an incredible experience for our kids, those particularly who haven't maybe experienced those conditions before. What we're expecting is some of the finest paddlers in the world that our guys will be competing against. They really are the step before the elite level of paddling. Many of them probably will race at an elite level and come back and race in the under 23 competition as well, so the competition is hot.
The world stage for junior kayaking is at a phenomenal level. Those European countries are an amazing paddlers, so I definitely think we're going in with some very open ideas, I guess, of where we're going to place, but definitely wanting to make finals for both the boats.
Nā e ai ki a Crossan, kaore ia I eke ki tēnei taumata mēna kaore ia I whakapaukaha ki tēnei mahi.
It's quite similar to waka armour, and I know lots of kayakers also do waka armour, and I feel like those skills are definitely transferable. And so I definitely encourage a lot of rangatahi Māori to get in. You get to be out in nature and connect with the water and travel to different places around the country, which is pretty awesome.
Ka tīmata te whakataetai ao ki Monte Moravello a te 24 o Hurei. Hora Kahurangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.